Good morning students, you all are welcome to today's online class. I hope you all are completed the portions, isn't it? Have you all studied the formulas? Yes, isn't it? Shall we start the today's class students? All of you take your note and books. Let's write the example 7.7. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 cm and diameter 1.4 cm, a conical cavity of the same height and base is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, what is the given question? There is a cylinder. Okay, there is a cylinder of height 2.4 cm. Let's draw the cylinder of whose height is 2.4 cm. It is given a solid cylinder. Solid cylinder means just imagine the filled cylinder. Okay, it is filled with some sand or ice cream. Like that you have to imagine. Okay, filled cylinder. From the cylinder, there is a cone is hollowed out. Okay, cone of height is given same height. Okay, height of the cylinder is given 2.4 centimeter. Okay, same height cone is hollowed out. Okay, let's draw the cone. From inside, this part is hollowed out. What is the total surface area of the remaining solid? Okay, so did you understand the question? There is a cylinder, solid cylinder. Means we can imagine there is a cylinder with ice. Okay, from inside cone shape is we hollowed out. Okay, we cut out the cone shape. Okay, remaining solid total surface area we have to find out. We know that total surface area of the cylinder is curved surface area plus base area, isn't it? Total surface area of the cylinder is curved surface area of the cylinder plus base area, that is total surface area. So we need the remaining solids total surface area. Here which are the remaining solid? First we should know that. So while seeing the inner, we can see the cylinder. Okay, while see the outer, we can while see the inner, we can see the cone. While seeing inner side, we get the cone shape. While seeing outer, we get the cylinder. Did you understand? While seeing inner, we get the cone shape. While seeing the outer side, we get the cylinder. So, remaining solid. What is the remaining solid? Can you say? Remaining solid is cylinder and cone. Okay. So, we have to find the TSA of the remaining solid is CSA of the cylinder plus base area. Okay. That is TSA. TSA of the cylinder is CSA plus base area. No? So, CSA of the cylinder plus base area plus CSA of the cone. That is the remaining part. Okay, shall we do? What are the values given? We can write. Okay, so height, comma, or be the radius and height be the height and or be the radius of the cone and cylinder. Okay, let us write that. Let height, comma, or be the height and radius of the cone and cylinder. Cone and cylinder. So here diameter is given 1.4 centimeter. Height is given 2.4 centimeter. L be the slant height of the cone. This one, slant height. This one, slant height. Okay. Let L be the slant height of the cone. Slant height of the cone. Given values, let's write. Given that height is equal to 2.4 centimeter and diameter is given. D is equal to 1.4 centimeter. Diameter is there means we need R. So R is equal to half of the diameter, isn't it? So 1.4 by 2 is equal to 0.7 centimeter. We need a total surface area of the remaining solid. Okay, total surface area of the remaining solid. What are the remaining solid? We have total surface area of the remaining solid solid is equal to, what are the remaining solid we have? CSA of the cylinder, CSA of the cylinder plus CSA of the cone plus this base area. Okay, always TSA means CSA of the cylinder plus base area. So plus base area of the cylinder. Okay, which is equal to, what is the CSA of the cylinder formula? 2 pi RH plus, what is the CSA of the cone formula? Pi RL plus, what is the base area formula? Base is in the circle form, so area of circle formula is pi r square. Okay, base area is pi r square. Okay, common value we can take it out. Here unit we have to write square units. Now here common value we can take it out. Which is the common here? Pi r is the common. So pi r into remaining we have, here pi r we have taken remaining 2h plus here L plus R square units, which is equal to, here L value we don't know, R and H we know, is it? So L can be found out using formula. So L is equal, what is the L formula? No, L is equal to square root of R square plus H square, which is equal to square root of, what is R? No, 0.7. So 0.7 the whole square plus, what is H? 2.4. So 2.4 the whole square, which is equal, let us square the value. 0.7 the whole square is 0.7 into 0.7, that is 0.49 plus 2.4 into 2.4 is 5.76. Add it, which is equal to square root of, when we add this both value we get 6.25. Okay, so square root of this is, we know that square root of 625 is 25. So that we can use here. Square root of 625 is 25. So 25, there is a decimal. So 2 decimal digit is there. So square root is there. Square root if you are left here 1 digit after, we can give the decimal. Okay, 2.5 centimeter. Now area of the remaining solid, we have, after taking the common, we have pi r into 2h plus L plus R we have, is it? Square, already we wrote this formula. Here value let us substitute. Pi value 22/7 into R is 0.7 into, bracket is there 2h, that is 2 into h value 2.4 plus L, what is L value? Just now we did know 2.5 plus what is R value? 0.7. Okay, here this 2 can be cancelled, 1 7 is 7 here, 0.1. Remaining 22 into 0.1, here this 2 multiply 2 into 2.4 we have 4.8 plus 2.5 plus 0.7. Okay, which is equal to, here 22 into 0.1 into this values added we get 6, 6.8, 7.3, 8 will get. Okay, 8, which is equal to, here 22 into 0.1 is 2.2 into 8, which is equal to 17.6. Therefore total surface area means TSA of the remaining solid is 17.6 meter square. Okay, understood students? Not meter square, it is given centimeter, so area no, so centimeter square will come. Okay, centimeter square, not meter square, it is given by centimeter. So while writing the answer, centimeter square we have to give. Okay, Let's write the exercise 7.1 question number 7. What is the question now? The ratio of the radii of two right circular cones of slant height is 1:3. Find the ratio of their curved surface area when the height of each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller cone. What is the ratio of the radii of two right circular cones of same height is 1:3. Okay, so we have to draw the two cones of same height. Okay, so let's draw two cones of same height. Same height given, but radius is different. Okay, radius will be different. 1:3 ratio given. So both having same height and different radii. So 1:3. So if we take here R, it will be 3R. 3 times R. 1:3. Okay. Height is same height. So that, what is the question now? Each cone is 3 times the radius of the smaller one. Ratio of the radii of two right circular cones of same height is 1:3. Find the ratio of their curved surface area. Okay, if you know the formula, you can do. What is the curved surface area of the cone formula? CSA of the cone is pi r L. Okay, radius and the slant height we need, then we can do. So let us take R1 be the radius of this first cone, R2 be the radius of the next cone. Ratio is given 1:3. Okay, let R1 comma R2 be the radii of two right circular cone. Given ratio equal to, what is the given ratio? Given ratio is 1:3. So it can be write R1 is to R2 is equal to 1:3. Let us take R1 equal to x, R2 is equal to 3x. Okay, let R1 equal to here R1 is 1, R2 is 3. So let us take R1 as 1 into x is x, comma R2 is 3. So 3 into x, 3x. Let heights be the height of the cone. Both having same height. Okay, height of the cone. Also given height is 3 times the smaller one's radius. What is the radius of the smaller one? X. So 3 times it means 3 into x. Therefore by given height is equal to 3x. Did you understand this? Height, both cone having same height, but also one condition is given, it is 3 times the smaller cone's radius. Smaller cone's radius we have taken x. So 3 times it means 3 into x. Okay, CSC of the formula, let's write. CSC of the cone is, CSC of the cone is equal to pi r L. We have to find the ratio. So ratio of CSC of two cones can be write pi R1. Let us take R1 L1. Okay, R1 L1. Here comparison is there. So in place of L we have to use L1. Pi R2 L2. So L value don't know, L1 and L2 using formula we have to find out. L1 is equal to square root of, height is same, so heights can be used, plus R1 and R2 is different. So R1 square, in place of R we have to use R1 square while using L1. That is equal to square root of, what is the heights value? 3x. So 3x the whole square plus R1 is x. So R1 square is there, x square, which is equal to square root of 3x the whole square is 3x into 3x, 9x square. Okay, 9x square plus x square, which is equal to square root of 10x square. Therefore, L1 can be right. Square root of x square is x. So, root of 10 into x. Okay, let's find the L2 value. L2 is equal to same formula, square root of h square plus r square. Here r2. In place of r we have to use r2 square, which is equal to square root of height is 3x the whole square plus r2 is 3x the whole square, which is equal to square root of 9x square plus 9x square, which can be right square root of 18x square. Square root of x square is x. So it can be right. Let us split and write 18 can be right 9 into 2. So root of 9 value we know 3 is into x square is x. So which can be right? Root of 9 is 3. So 3 root 2 into x. Okay, this is L2 value. L2 is equal to, we need a ratio. Okay, ratio of their CSA, curved surface area, equal to, what is the formula? Pi RL. Here comparison we have two cones. So pi R1 L1 is to pi R2 L2. Okay, here pi can be cancelled. Pi can be cancelled. Remaining R1 L1 is to R2 L2, which is equal to, what is the R1 L1 value? What is R1? X. L1 is root 10 into x is to, what is R2? 3x into, what is L2? 3 root 2 x. Okay, which can be right? Root 10 into x x square is to, here also 3 into 3, 9. Root 2 is there, root 2. This x into x square. Okay, here x square can be cancelled. Remaining is root 10 is to 9 root 2. This can be right, which is equal to root 10 divided by 9 root 2. Okay, which is equal to rationalize this denominator, let's multiply the root 2 by up and down. Okay, so root 10 by 9 root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Okay, here root 2 can be, which is equal to root 2 can be cancelled. Remaining we have root 10 by 9 root 2, which can be right 1 by 9 into this root commonly write together, right 10 by 2. Here can be cancelled 5. Okay, 1 2 is 2, 5 2 is 10. So which can be right? 1 by 9 into root 5, which is equal to root 5 by 9. By ratio form, it can be right, which is equal to root 5 by 9 can be right, root 5 is to 9. Okay, this is the answer. Understood students? Root 5 is to 9 is the answer. Okay. Next, example 7.8. Find the diameter of a sphere whose surface area is 154 meters square. What is sphere now? A sphere is a solid generated by the revolution of a semicircle about its diameter as axis. Okay. So, best example for sphere we can consider globe. Okay. In society you learn now, globe. Globe is a best example for sphere. Okay. We have to find the diameter of the sphere whose surface area is given 154 meters square. Surface area means TSA as well as CSA. Both the same for sphere. Okay. Diameter will be considered as the height of sphere. Here we have to find the surface area. So if you know the formula, we can do this sum. What is the surface area of the sphere? Surface area means curved surface area as well as total surface area, both having same formula. Okay, so surface area in the sense we can use the formula 4 pi r square. So what are the values given? Let's write. Okay, here find the diameter. So radius is not there. Radius if we have, diameter can be found. So first we have to find the radius. So let r be the radius of the sphere. Okay, let r be the radius of the sphere. Given, what is given? Given surface area is given. Given surface area of the sphere is, surface area of the sphere is equal to 154 meter square. Surface area of the sphere formula we have 4 pi r square is equal to 154. From here 4 into what is the pi value? 22 by 7. R value we don't know. R square is equal to 154. From here r square is equal to, bring this values this side. So 154 into this 4, when we take here it become 1 by 4. 22 by 7 becomes 7 by 22. Okay, let's cancel this. 2 11 is 22. Here 1 11 is 11, 4 11 is 42. Again this one 1 2 is 2. Here 7 2s are 14. So remaining we have 7 into 7 by 4, that is 7 into 7 by 4, that is 49 by 4. 49 by 4. R square is equal to, from here R can be right. R is equal to 7 by 2, is it? Or this one let us write from here 45 by 9, 49 by 4 can be right. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, R square. So from here R one term can be taken. Okay, R is equal to 7 by 2. We need to find out diameter. Diameter D is equal to 2 times radius. So 2 into R, which is equal to 2 into what is the R value? 7 by 2. Here 2 can be cancelled. We get 7. So diameter equal to, therefore diameter is equal to 7 meter. Understood students? Next let's take the example 7.9. The radius of a spherical balloon increased from 12 cm. First it was 12 cm radius. After increased by air, the radius is 12 to 16. First it is, initially it is 12 cm. After it is changed into 16 cm as air being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon. Balloon is in the spherical shape. So we have to find the surface area of the sphere. Okay, in the two cases. Initially it is 12 cm. By air after it becomes 16 cm. So what is the ratio? Ratio of the surface area means surface area of the sphere we have to find out. Here two sphere mentioned. So we have to take two radius. So how can we write? Let R1, R2 be the radii of the balloons. Radii of the balloons. So R1 is, we can take first initially it is 12 cm. Therefore R1 is equal to 12 cm, R2 is equal to 16 centimeter. Ratio we have to find out. So initially we have to find the ratio of the radius. So ratio of the radius is R1 by R2. Let us find out. Okay, is equal to 12 by 16. Divide it, we get 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. So R1 by R2 is equal to 3 by 4. We have to find the ratio of CSA of the balloons. For that first we have to write the CSA of the sphere formula. Okay, surface area of the sphere. What is the formula? 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Here comparison. So 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square. Now ratio of surface area or CSA can be written. CSA of balloons equal to 4 pi r1 square by 4 pi r2 square. Here 4 can be cancelled, pi can be cancelled. Remaining we have r1 square by r2 square, which is equal to, what is r1 by r2? We have 3 by 4. Here commonly take the square. It can be write r1 by r2 the whole square. Okay, r1 by r2 the whole square. Square commonly we have taken r1 by r2 the whole square. r1 by r2 we have 3 by 4. So it can be write 3 by 4 the whole square. Square it, we get 3 square by 4 square. Okay, what is 3 square? 9 by 4 square is 16. Okay, therefore ratio of CSA of balloons is equal to 9:16. Understood, students? Today, what are the formulas we learned, students? CSA of the cylinder. What is the CSA of the cylinder? 2 pi RH. What is the CSA of the cone? Pi RL. What is the base area formula we used? Pi R square. And what is the formula for surface area of the sphere? 4 pi R square. Surface area means CSA as well as TSA, both can be used the same formula. Okay, study the formulas thoroughly and complete the portions. Okay, next question we can see in the next class. Okay, thank you, students.